Oh, very interesting. The greater than sign is not allowed inside the title. All right. So let's continue with something a bit fun. The new links, the new I.R.L links. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so we create a function for this. Yeah, I mean, I guess. And those, no, I guess we can rename the soaps to emojis. Because, oops. Can I rename this element? Okay. All right. So do these still work, by the way? Yeah, they do still work. Nice. Oh, that's a bug. Let's now say that to an else if, and I think we call this I.R.L links, right? Includes, oh no, wait. I.R.L links dot sum char string includes char, and we are missing one closing tag. Yeah, that is actually correct. Okay, let's and our I.R.L link is way up here. We need to split. I might ask him. DNP domain model. Oh, I cannot. No, that doesn't work right now. Annoying. So annoying. bullets. Yeah, that is correct. Oh, by the way, that might be a bad idea. I guess four-legged.parts. Domain Google, model LLMs, DNS1, DNS2, DNS3. Hey Dinesh, what's going on? I'm currently giving Gemini instructions to write the regex for me to tokenize the new string for what how an I.R. link looks like. Oops. Badum should tokenize into wait. So, oh no, it's far from completed. still 2 to 3 months away from not even being completed, but from it being ready to go online. What's annoying with the characters that I use now, that the I.R. links have their own characters, is that here in VS Code, it takes a second. I need to copy and paste them manually. While in here, I mean, it's a little too small for you to see, I would think. I can just hit them instantly. Oh no. Okay. Oh, interesting. Something in there turns, when I post what I just wrote with the characters into Discord, it turns it into underscore. It's fun. Wait, but then this doesn't seem right. Where does he use regex? Okay, let's first check if this works as an I.R. link. 1 second, need to go to the toilets. Right. Right. Let's see if this works. All the selects right now. New I.R.L link. Cannot access emojis before initiation. I think it's because those are X. New I.R.L link. String.shelf.set is not a function, that's also interesting. Use QWERTYs. What is going on? Use QWERTYs. Why is this triggering? 319. 235. Yeah. Strings.self. Base. Use since. Set is set in row. what? What's going on? Emojis.test is not a function. EmoX. Now it might work. New link. 256. Use tokes 256. Yeah, we need to restructure it. And now maybe 100 little bugs. New links. Yeah. So this, let's see. The E team. It's empty. New. Oh yeah, we need to change the trying to gamify typing, like combining typing with like some intricate crafting and or like spell casting mechanism from like an RPG. Okay, so the I.R.L link needs to look different now. And I just yesterday, before I went to bed, I changed what the I.R.L links will look like. Before that, they were like www : and then domain dot model, and we also had slash, but because we can access like any character we want super quickly in the app, we have our own characters. The only downside is that now inside VS Code, we do not have those characters, so we need to manually copy and paste them when we need them. So now string I.R.Link.talks. That's a new Schreibweise. Okay, so I think this might work now. the label. Yeah, that's fine. Oh no, you know what, actually, what we could do is give even I.R. links like a label which is the name. Or the label is... the main part. First, does this work? New I.R. links, yes, this works. Oh, but it doesn't do the main. Validation logic. No. Oh, interesting. This is exactly the same. What is he doing here? Check values, just filter boolean. If it exists. Interesting, I didn't know that syntax. Dot filter boolean. Interesting. It takes the value. That's pretty clever how he did this, how he does this. So he takes the value, and when okay, but I think this has a bug. For instance, when we have no, maybe not, because then one is just undefined when we do not have a domain but just a model. Yeah. Okay. That's good. label. No, the main. Oh no, the paths. Main filter. Yeah, that seems to be correct. And then we need, we actually need I already have an I.R. link element. What else can we call this? I don't know. Let's just call it the link, which is wrong. Now with a Q, I.R. link with a Q. I.R. link, and it takes the I.R. link and the want. What's the HTML for underscore? Case X underscore. I mean, I guess HTML underscore tag. Underline, I guess underline, not underscore. Don't we the U tags. Okay, return diff U I.R. link dot parts dot full. And also style is color blue, I guess, and cursor is pointer, and then we do on mouse enter. We do want.enter, no, this I.R. link and the E, right? And we do the same on mouse leaf. And we are missing just one thing. And then I think it's in the frequency, right? No, yeah, it is. It might be in the frequency. Else if talk.talk equals I.R. link, return I.R. link. I.R. link is talk, I guess, yeah, and the want. Yeah, nice. This works. Now we have a fun little that's also funny. Oh, because he filters it out. That's wrong, by the way. Ooh. Where's this coming from? Frequency 14. Oh, it's because I accidentally typed in VS Code new I.R.L. Interesting, for some reasons. It also needs a space. I.R.L dot space. I think, yeah, that actually works. Oh, but we cannot. That needs to be outside the underscore. But what does not work is cursor.pointer. Wasn't it cursor.pointer? Is it mouse.pointer? I thought it was cursor.pointer. What's going on? Not good. Huh, weird. It's not mouse, right? It is cursor. Yeah. Cursor.pointer. Pretty sure that's it. What is going on? Pointer. Or is pointer the normal one? No, it's not. It's not the normal one. Annoying. Okay, but something else we need to change the string of the Vorlage.string equals string that we have the full string for the case we do backspacing. No, that's not it. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, it's maybe because I didn't hit enter. No, it's not. Okay, first let's fix this bug. 319. QWERTY save dot space. String save set is not a function. But only when I am, for some reason, that is really fucking weird. Wait, why? Wait, what? String shelf start change unselect backspacing. Oh, it's just strings.set. Use QWERTYs. I still have this. I understand. Yeah, I understand actually. Strings dot set ref right. Oh. Oh, wait a second. We need to first and we need to do this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Boom. Oh no, wait, we destructure this. It seems a little... but I think this will work. Current is not defined. Oh, it's because I did a comma instead of a dot. Cannot read property of undefined map. Come on. What's going on? So we are in sing mode. And we do the breath. This looks right, but it's not. For some reason. String, breath.current.string. Breath.current.string. I think. That might be the reason. Oh. Gonna make myself a pizza now. New link stiff. Okay. What is going on? also accidentally no, wait, what? Oh. Huh. Oh, I forgot what. Guess we just returned breath, by the way. I think. But we still have a problem here. Nindo of Sing. The Indo, the link, the current, and the string. Oh, it's because this I guess. Yeah. Just a little typo, this might actually be it. Yeah. Okay. This, I need to. Hey. Wait, what is going on? Jesus Christ. Here? No. Wow. Fixing one bug, introducing two other bugs. Oh, no, wait, something's wrong here. With my actual keyboard, I hope. Yeah, okay, good. I was wondering, because I didn't change anything in the... Oh, wow, what the fuck? Why? Oh, fuck. Okay. Yeah, let's make a pizza. right. Let's set an alarm. Timer is 12 minutes. Good. Okay, now now let's do the M's, I guess. This should be green. Oh no, dude. Let me do this. And wait, m dot m. No. And m dot space, I guess. let's say the cells are green. Okay, first let's get our we do not use colons at all anymore. So we go into birds. Didn't I already? Oh, I did not. No, not Cody. Oh, there used to be Cody, I forgot. But that's no longer Cody. This is a dam. And this is a man. Oh. And this is a Sam. 1, 2, 3. I think. Damn Sam. Yep, that's pretty cool. Amps for each bird, eval bird. One, two, three. Yeah, that's good. Let's save this bird in. Is it in pets? Where we have the translate. Yeah, I think that is correct. But this bad. We need to add logic for I guess it's an I.R.L, by the way. What do we call this then? Okay, we say, okay, first we go and use since again. Okay, we are here in down. Back quotes. No, not really bold. Not really. How do we do this in QWERTYs? Yeah, I guess we do this in QWERTYs, right? My pizza. With a break. Okay, let's watch some Gotham chess while we're eating. Let's just click on this.
Imagine bringing your side project to life just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
Ladies and gentlemen, on this channel I cover Magnus Carlsen and Hikaru Nakamura a lot. And that is because they are the top 2 rated chess players in the world. You see, every year at the Norway Chess and Humpy versus Lei Tingjian. Now, all eyes on Fabiano Caruana versus Magnus Carlsen. We have an e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5. This is the Spanish. Magnus plays a6, kicks out the bishop, plays knight here. All of this has been played before. And here Fabiano Caruana makes the first peculiar offbeat decision. He has already retreated his bishop from the move a6, so he's obviously not going to be taking the pawn on the knight on c6, probably playing the move rook e1. Wrong. He takes the knight. Okay. This is called the delayed exchange Spanish because you had the option to make this exchange now, but with the benefit of putting the bishop on a4 followed by this position is that now black already committed the knight to f6 and you can kind of force black to play in a certain way. And after d takes c6, Fabiano now does not play the most common move in the position, which according to the database is d3 followed by queen e1 followed by knight c3. He plays the fourth most popular approach, which is the rook going to the e1 square, and now Magnus has to think. All right, there's a lot of different approaches by black. Generally, you can put the bishop here, you can put the knight on d7, support the center with the move f6, reposition the knight on the e6 square, black will castle, etc. But Magnus wants to take Fabiano out of a level of comfort, and he plays knight d7 straight away. So he does not castle, he does not play bishop g. Castling now would result in the loss of a pawn, I'm pretty sure. So you have to defend it. He does play knight d7, and Fabi continues the opening surprises with the move d4. And as early as the 8th move of this game, Magnus is put under pressure. This is a position that has never been reached before, especially at a high level. And obviously, as we can see according to the evaluation bar, white is doing well. Magnus opted to play this knight and this bishop without castling because he kind of wanted to drill open the white position and also reinforce his center. But Fabi now plays in a way that's very interesting. He just doesn't do anything. Puts up the big center pawns, puts the knight on d2, and I gotta tell you from the early opening, I like white's position a lot. I don't think it's easy for black to make a move. If he moves the knight, I take here and I get the bishop. I'm not really sure what else you can do. If you play b6 and bishop b7 to try to develop the bishop, you actually haven't developed anything. And if c5, I probably just close the entire center with d5, or take and give you a weakness. Whatever, I just drew a lot of arrows and nobody followed anything. I'm just trying to impress you. Now, Magnus takes on d4. Why does he take on d4? Opens up his rook. Anytime you want to make a trade in a chess game, you should ask yourself, what have I done for myself and what have I done for them? And in this position, what he has done for Fabiano is given him two strong center pawns, but he does have the bishop staring and the rook staring. Puts the knight on f8, and it's obvious that he's trying to make the bishops work here. But I gotta tell you, Fabiano plays a great move. Queen c2, nh3. This bishop is going to really struggle to get out because it can go to the e6 square, but then it's not really clear what's happening after that, right? White is going to play knight f1, knight g3, rook a d1, and every single piece is going to be playing. Every single piece is going to be on the right square. Early on, it is Fabiano Caruana, the previous world championship challenger, putting Magnus Carlsen under serious pressure, asking him many, many questions. Maybe the pressure is not so serious just yet, but he's asking him a lot of questions. Magnus, by the way, responding, this is pretty ridiculous. Like, you have a bishop, a knight, and then black's best move here is just a5. Just a5. 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 Why the hell is black's best move a5? Can somebody please explain to me? Why is a5 the best move? I don't get it. Fabi goes here, now the best move is a4. Just middle of the game, dude just plays a5, a4. Like, again, this just looks like black is rated 700. It doesn't look like black is doing anything logical. White is moving all the pieces to the middle, supporting the pawns, ready to go, like I'm going to push a pawn. But it's actually not that stupid, obviously, because Magnus played it. It's restricting white's queen side, and then if white ever pushes one of these pawns, the rook is going to get active. And on top of that, you know, you might go here attacking this pawn, and then it's like, if white goes a3, you got ideas to put the bishop here. If white goes b3, you take, like I just said. So sometimes the best plan in a chess game is to march your flank most pawn up 2 squares. If you try this, you will lose instantly. You will be mated. You'll be like, oh, remember that time Magnus played a5, a4, I'm going to do it. No, don't do it. Fabi undevelops the knight to the home square because he already brought the rook from the corner, and Fabi's immediately going to go here. Knights are obviously best standing in the center of the board. Bishop e7. Magnus, it looks like Magnus doesn't know how to play chess. Like, he's playing a5, a4, puts the bishop back, and then puts the bishop here, and it looks like he's just like, well, I like to trade bishops for knights. I don't really like knights. They're very tricky. He hasn't done anything in the position. It's actually a really, really fascinating position because it looks like white has just made non-stop improvements, and guess what? d5. He's basically asking Magnus, like, can you please prove to me that your position isn't garbage? Magnus is like, I'm not really sure I can do that, to be honest. I'm not really sure I can do that. Queen e7, it's a very mysterious position. a3 kicks out the bishop. You're not going to take the knight. Black's only advantage here is having the 2 bishops, the bishop pair. So he goes back. So the last, like, 5 moves for Magnus, a5, a4, bishop e7, bishop b4, queen e7, put the bishop back on d6. It feels like 6 moves have gone by and nothing has happened. Only Bobby is making improvements. Bishop d4. Queen d... Yo. Bishop e7, bishop b4, bishop d6, queen e7, queen d7. The way Magnus is playing this game is like he knows he's going to get